Hello guys, so if you look over here, you see that I just withdrew the sum of 1.2 USDT from this site. I'm going to show you guys in this video. So this site is a new site that you can make over $1,000 mining free USDT. So right over here is the site. I just withdrew this $1.2 over here. So what you have to do first is to go back and click the link in the description for sign up. So after clicking on it, you'll be brought to this place. So what you have to do is to go back and enter your email address, the email you want to use in signing up to this site, and create a password. So if you use the link in the below, you are going to get this invitation code over here, or use this one over here. Then you go back and enter your telegram phone number. So I'm going to put on my telegram phone number. So after entering this, now the next thing you have to do is to go over and click register. So after clicking on this register, your account will be successfully created. So what you have to do, okay, right over here is the account dashboard. So this is the site that is going that made me that I withdrew this 1.2 USDT. I showed you guys in the beginning of this video. So I'll go over to the my account dashboard and show you guys about this site, how it works. So right over here, if you register, you're going to get a bonus of $2 and as you can see over here, I've not earned anything on this site. So I'm going to show you guys how you're going to earn from this site. So if you go over to my mining pool, you are going to see that I'm just at level 0. So right over here are the levels that you have to upgrade to before you start earning on this site. So right over here is the level 1, 0. I have nothing to earn daily. So right over here is the level 1. If you upgrade to level 1, you will start earning 1.2 USDT daily. So right over here the price is $8. As you can see, we just they gave us the price of $2 US dollar for sign up. What you have to do is to just deposit $6 and get started. So right over here, these are the same with these other plans. So right now I'm going to upgrade to VIP level 1. So I click on it. So at this level 1, we need just $8 US. So I'm going to deposit on this side to show you guys proof. So what you have to do is click this recharge and copy the link of this. So what you have to do is to send USDT, send 6 USDT to this link. So I'm going to send that now. So after sending it, you go back to this dashboard and click submit. So after clicking on submit, so right over here now, as you can see, I have $8 right over here. I deposited $6. I have $8 now. So right now I'm going to purchase this level 1 plan and show you guys live proof of this. So what you have to do is to go over and click buy. Make sure you've deposited in it. So after that, you go over and click buy again. So after that, you see successfully purchased. So right now we have upgraded to level 1. So I'll go over and refresh this. As you can see, I now have $0 US. So right now I've earned 1.2 US dollar for upgrading to this. So every day you earn 1.2 US dollar mining. So you don't need to mine anything. So right over here is my daily earning 1.2 US dollar. So I'm going to withdraw this money right now, live proof on this video. So what you have to do is go over and click this withdraw you see right over here. So after clicking on it, you will be required to set a withdrawal password. So right now I'm going to set my password. Now you first enter your login password, then enter your new password and confirm password. So after this, now you go over and click confirm on this. So after this, you go over and click add. So right now we are trying to add our withdrawal account. So right over here, I'm going to my trust wallet to get my USDT wallet address. So I'll go over to my make sure you select it at USDT. So I'll go over to my trust wallet now and click receive. So after clicking on it, you copy it. So make sure you copy the USDT own. So after that, you go over and paste it over here and click submit. Okay, enter your transaction password and then click submit. So after entering it, you click submit. So after this, now we've added our withdrawal account. So what you have to do is to go back now and go over and click withdraw. Okay, and right now we are going to withdraw this money now, this 1.2 US dollar. So I'll USDT. So I'll go over and enter the withdrawal amount, 1.2 USDT. That's what we are withdrawing. After that, you go over and enter your password. So after putting on that, you go over and click withdraw now. So it is going to show you withdrawal successful. So right now I'll go over to my trust wallet account to see if this money has entered it. So over here is my trust wallet account. I'll refresh this now. So as you can see, as I refresh this now, I have 1.2 USDT received today right now. So this is a proof that shows that this site is legit. Just rush now right now and click the link in the description and register your account and upgrade to level 1 and get started on this site. So guys, you can also earn through referral. So what you have to do is to, okay, referral means getting people to join this platform. So right over here now is if you click on my team, these are where they are going to show you your referral commission and every other thing. So I have no zero referral. So if your referral withdraw deposits money, you also earn on this site. So just go to your dashboard, you are going to see your referral link and copy it, then share it. So anybody that sign up with this link, you are going to earn money on it. So guys, if you know this is your first time of watching this video, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell to get notified when I drop a new